Ladies and gentlemen, regular viewers of the channel would have seen that we did a YouTube short recently where we promised at the end that we'd do a full in-depth video of these two shower chairs. So you'll see it there, joining me on the other chair. Don't try that at home, obviously professional, but the link for it, full video, is in the description below. So let me show you these two commodes. I'll start with the neuro one. So it's got a fully adjustable headrest, which is on wraparound for support, and these lateral supports, these can be adjusted and fold out of the way. These armrests that can be lifted up out of the way for lateral transfers, are also very soft, hard wearing rubber, but very soft to touch, which is the same on this chair. And then these hip guides, which can be very easily removed for lateral transfers. This chair also comes with 45-degree tilt and a backrest recline. These are all options, so you can have these chairs without, or we can have it just with tilt, no backrest, or whatever you like. You can spec it. We can also do it as paediatric or bariatric. Moving on to this one, this would be more for someone that may be paralysed from waist down. It would be perfect for them. So it's a shower chair which can be self-propelled, so a patient with upper body strength can power themselves around, and they can take themselves whether to the toilet or whether it be to a shower, and then also same arm, so you can laterally transfer on. So with these leg rests, there's obviously a lot of adjustments, as you can see on this video here, and we can remove them very easily, and they slot back into place. Very many more options as well on both these chairs, so check that out in the description, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Please subscribe. We're looking to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and thank you very much.